Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare a wonderful evening snack, that is vegetable spring rolls. Come, let's get started. First step is to make spring roll sheets. For that, take 2 cups of maida, that is all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, mix it well and add water gradually and knead till it's well combined. Don't add water at once, add gradually. Knead the dough for 5 minutes. Now apply some oil and rest the dough for at least 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, knead dough for 2 minutes and make small balls out of it. Now dust the surface with some flour. And start rolling it out. Now apply some generous amount of oil. And dust some flour on it. Overlay a layer and repeat it for 4 more layers. After the procedure is completed, roll this into a big circle. Make sure that the ends are not too thick while rolling. Now put it on a hot tawa. Cook each side for 10 to 15 seconds on low-medium flame. After when it's cooled down completely, start separating the layers. Remember, it should be completely cooled, if not, the layers stick to each other. You can't separate it easily. These sheets are so thin that you can see my fingers through it. Our spring roll sheets are now ready. Now let's make filling for spring rolls. For that, take a kadai and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add finely chopped garlic and fry until it turns light brown. And then add thinly chopped ginger and green chillies. Here I have taken 2 green chillies and 1 inch of ginger finely chopped. Then add 1 thinly sliced onions, Fry till it's transparent. Now add 1 cup of shredded cabbage, 1 cup of carrot juliennes, and a cup of thinly sliced capsicum. Mix it well. And add a teaspoon of salt or according to your taste. Now add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of ground pepper and mix well. Fry till the vegetables are completely cooked. Allow the mixture to cool completely. Now let's wrap our spring rolls. For that, take a spring roll sheet. Then take a spoonful of filling and spread it on top end. And then gently fold it in. Fold the ends inward and seal it with water or maida paste. And then fold it in. Now our spring roll wrap is ready. Pour enough oil in kadai. Once it's hot, gently drop the wrap into oil and fry till it gets golden color. Remember, fry on medium-low. Once the bubbles are stopped, it's an indication that our wrap is completely cooked. Then follow the same procedure for rest of the wraps. Now our yummy and tasty vegetable spring roll is ready to serve. Enjoy this with tomato ketchup. If you like my video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.